G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make ghostly strawberries. Ooh, let's go. Get a bowl, put in about 250 grams of white chocolate. So just pop this in the microwave for 30 seconds, give it a stir, then do it for another 30 seconds and give it a stir. Just repeat that until it's fully melted, but be careful not to burn it. Now get your strawberries. To help them sit, I slice the back just a little bit so it'll sit like that rather than roll around. Just dip it in. Dip it in as high up as you want. Just let it drain off a little bit. Then just place down on something like parchment paper or whatever. Just repeat with all of those. Then we put them in the fridge and let it set. Alright, now once those have set, just melt some milk chocolate or dark chocolate. Just use a skewer or something, or you can just buy some sort of frosting if you wish, if that's easier. And just do the whole eyes and mouth. Now just pop these in the fridge just to let the chocolate fully set, and you're done. Pretty easy, pretty cool, yummy as. Well, I hope you like these. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah. I'm gonna eat you. Oh! The strawberry and white chocolate complement each other so much, I feel like I'm actually eating a ghost. A yummy ghost. I'll see you next time for my next meal.